Have you ever heard that saying, with great power comes great responsibility? Well, I want to turn that around a little bit and say, with great clarity comes great power. So, where I'm going with this is because most people that don't like their jobs, or they want to get out of their job, or they don't have a job, and they're looking for a job, and they decide that they want to start their own online business, and in this case, start their online course business. Most of them don't have clarity in what it is that they want to do. So like I say, with great clarity comes great power. So if we clear up their mind and really get them, clear on what it is they want to do and how they want to do it and how they're going to do it, then most people will just, naturally be able to follow that, plan and make it to the other side, which the other side is creating an online course that is profitable and scalable. And that's what I do. I help people realize their dreams by getting clarity on what it is they want to do, or in some cases they call their niche, which I hate that word niche because I think it's overused. But with that being said, we help people get clarity on what it is they want to do. And most of the time I try to make sure that I help guide people, because I'm a coach, and as a coach I want to guide them. I don't want to give them the answers because I can't give you the answers. I can help pull the answers out of you. And so what we do is we look at what it is that you're really passionate about. So we take this passion and we harness that, and we get clarity on what that passion is and how we can narrow down that passion, or as they say in the industry, all the gurus, they say narrowing down your niche, or niching down, or niching down, or however you want to say it. However the word's said. I don't use it often because I don't like the word. It's almost like that word that everybody uses for, when you're making your target audience, and they say, make your avatar. I hate that word avatar. But I digress. I'm way off subject. So we're talking about clarity and how clarity gives you power. So if we could get into a 45-minute strategy meeting, so if you're thinking about wanting to build an online course business and take yourself to the next level this year, you really need to get clarity. And so book a call with me, and together we can look at what your dreams are, what you're passionate about, and then from there we can start honing in a plan. And that's when clarity starts to happen. So you've got to get past the fuzziness and past all the clouds to get through the clouds to make the clarity. So, I've been doing this for years. I've been building courses for 23 years with a major Fortune 100 company, and I know how to build courses. I know how to make things so that it's understandable, and so there's a path of learning that makes sense, that makes it easier for people to learn. So I can help guide you through the path of building your path of your course. And the only way to do that is to gain clarity on what it is you want to do. If you have something that you want to do, that you want to build a course on because you think it'll make you money, you probably will fail and not make money because it will become a job, because you're doing something you don't like doing. So again, the first thing we're going to do is just find out what you're passionate about, and then from there we'll start building clarity around that passion and how you can take that knowledge that's in your head and make it into something that's really spectacular. So again, make a call with me, and let's do a 45-minute strategy call. There's no pressure. It is a sales call. I'll be transparent. I'm trying to sell my course and my program, and it's a coaching and training program that will take you from zero to hero in a very short amount of time. If you try to do it on your own, you've got to do the research on your own, and you've got to collect it from all over the internet and put all the pieces together and try to figure out how you're going to do it. But if you hire an expert like me to guide you through all the rabbit holes that will take you, take you years to get out of, then you can actually get this done in a very short amount of time. So again, book a call with me. That's as simple as that. It's a 45-minute strategy call, no pressure whatsoever. We just get in there, we start talking about your dreams, we talk about what it is you want to do, we home in on it, we come up with a little bit of clarity. We might even start planning out your course right there on the spot. And that's during the 45-minute strategy call. So if you feel like that I can help you get through building your own online course business and become a scalable and profitable business, go ahead and go down to the comments down below and type in make a plan and work a plan. And that's it. Just type that in the comments. Just type make a plan and work a plan in the comments, and someone on my team or myself will get in contact with you, and we'll schedule a call with you. We'll get in the call with you, and we'll start finding your clarity. Once you have that clarity, it becomes real easy, because once you onboard in the program and start going through my course, a lot of what we do is teach you how to calm your mind, get uber focused, and make that plan. Once you make that plan, you just start executing on that plan. You just start working it, and as you work through the plan, you don't have to think about anything else because you have a plan. You just work the plan. So you put this plan together and you do boom. The next day you do boom. The next day you do boom. Oh wait, I got to go back and finish this. Now I'll go back and finish it. Whatever it is, the plan gives you clarity, and then you know what to do each day. You don't have to think about when you sit down each day what you're going to do. You just do it. So again, go down to the comments below, type make a plan and work the plan in the comments. We'll get in touch with you. We'll schedule a call. No obligation. We'll help you out. We'll get your plan in place. And if you feel like we're somebody you want to work with and we feel like we can help you, we'll go ahead and get you onboarded into the class. And if not, we'll part ways. You'll have a plan, and we'll have hopefully a new friend. So again, type make a plan and work a plan in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you in a meeting. Cheers.